Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'm really appreciate guys to help me grow on this channel. And yeah, in today's video, I have exciting unboxing for you guys. We went to Miami and looked in Van Cleef and doesn't have one in stores, so we order in the store and deliver to my home. I'm excited. Hopefully I like this particular one, this pendant, because people have this, and then I wish I did get this before, because you know the price increase and everything for so many years. That way we start loving the Van Cleef, but now I decided to give a try and see what is a feel to have this type of pendant. And also I did try the other one, but I love this more for some reason, because people love this one and have this one. I've seen this one and Instagram. By the way, I have Instagram. I will leave the description below. Please, let's be friends in there too. And so yeah, I have received this one actually 5 days ago. I just finally just opened it and unboxed this for you guys. I just opened this because this over here, let me get, didn't have any Van Cleef in my local area, even Cartier, so we have to go to Miami. So every time we visit Miami or go there, we always stop in the Miami district, because that's the one you can see all those luxury men. if I win the lottery, I'll shop every store on that area. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the bag, guys. It's big. Hopefully they give me a shopping bag, but it don't. And have this one over here. Okay, what is this? Actually, it takes, because if you ever order in the store and deliver to the house, they have to deliver first in the store before they send it to you. So that's how it works. And what is this? Oh, I got the travel pouch. Certificate, and also a book. What is this one? A care book. Okay, what else over here? Probably a receipt. I get the receipt already, but they still send you a receipt. So those are the receipt as well. Here is the baby over here. Oh my God, look at that guy. Before I open it, look. It has butterfly. Oh, okay. So you can remove the whole thing. Now I'll just show you guys, look. See the butterfly over there? It's so cute. Okay. Oh, so he wrapped another one and he wrapped another one. Okay. That's cute. Oh my God, look at that. Now you can see more of the beauty of this butterfly. Man, Van Cleef was so creative now. This is my first time I received that they put like this. Even I order in store, they don't do that. I'm not sure, guys, but I haven't received anything in the packaging that doing like this. The person who assists me, Arturo, he's so nice. He actually try every pieces in the store, but I did not film because I feel shy sometimes filming in the store, especially that security is everywhere. They're looking at you like, no, I don't want to do that. No. Let's see. I'll probably keep that butterfly. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm so excited to this. Let me see. So this is a pendant, and this is, ta-da! This is a vintage Alhambra pendant, and this is in onyx. When I took close up, it looks like caramel, but it's not. That's so strange. So anyway, guys, that's the one. Hopefully I did get this one long time ago because of the price increase now. Way back when I was in UK, it was less than I was thinking. And now that, this luxury brands is having price increase every single year now, and I wish. And this is the white gold, a yellow gold. I prefer the yellow gold than a rose gold. So actually, I remember when I bought my Alhambra, the 5 motif bracelet. When I first got it, it's like here, it's a lot of scratches, and it looks like kind of short. I did try the blue one in the store, but it's nice. But for me, onyx is give me more like a elegant and classic look. Wait, because it has this, see that it has this dust, and look at that, guys. It doesn't look like black to me, to be when I look closely, it looks like carnelia. And this is the side. It's still like really new to me. And yeah, I did get this baby. And let me put this on me, guys, because I want to see. I wish I did try this one in store. I have really few options as I want to get when I was there, but they don't have in store. And this is one I did look up at the Milan. I was going to get this one in Milan, but the price are different there. Anything Van Cleef in there is, yeah, you have a tax refund, but just if you still calculate, it's better to get in here or something like that. So let me put this one for you guys so I can see. So I can do what called one, layering with my the sweet butterfly, and also the sweet carnelian, Alhambra as well. And he told me, like, if you want to do layering, put the smallest one to the second hook, so at least it will more shorter. And so this is what it looks like, guys. So I just noticed the change is different than the other, the blue one actually. So yeah, that's my new necklace. I cannot see much of a chain. I will see the difference of this one. So this is my carnelian one. So I was planning to do that. Actually, I'm gonna stand that up. So I was planning to do that. And also with this, I have all my things over here on the side. So I was planning to do that as well. Actually, I wore this, the other one. Look at that. So I like to layer this. Maybe one day I will do that. And yeah, the blue one is actually good. The good thing about this one, because it doesn't move, it just stays like that, to be honest, because this is the good thing about the vintage one. Not like this two that I have over here. Oops. That, it move. See, this not stays, you can move around. I love this so much, to be honest with you. It's so cute. I like carnelia. When I get the first carnelia, there was a bracelet, and I did ending up return it because I don't like the way it look, and I don't think it worked. The necklace one, so I bet I can wear more often than the bracelet. And yeah, so that's my carnel. It's still beautiful. I got this one when I was, what, 5 years ago, I guess. And I don't wear this more often because the way it says, like, don't shower it, don't be careful when you spray a perfume, and that's why it also takes me a while to purchase this because of that reason as well. I mean, sometimes it's really tired when you taking out in out of your neck this type of necklace. Sometimes I like to wear this for a few months and then change it, so that's why, you know, I wasn't getting this long time ago because of that reason as well. But now I decided, hey, you know what? I just remove it when I'm taking a shower or going to the beach. Yes, that's it for my unboxing to you guys. I love it. And this is the onyx. I know this is everybody love. That's why I'm getting this one instead of the blue one. And so again, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.